Your server goes down in the middle of a massive transaction. Everything just vanishes into the digital void, and you are left staring at a blank screen wondering where the money went. That is the nightmare scenario keeping every business owner awake at night. And it is the exact moment when you realize you picked the wrong tool for the job. We are looking at a massive fork in the road between two very different philosophies of automation. On one side, you have the visual approach, the path of least resistance. It feels like building with plastic bricks on a tabletop. You click a button, you drag a descriptive box, you connect it to another box, and suddenly, your spreadsheet is talking to your chat app or your email server. This is the world of visual workflow building. It is accessible to everyone. It is incredibly fast to set up. It is the perfect fit for the person who wants results without writing a single line of complex syntax. If you are a freelancer or part of a small marketing team, this is likely your playground. You can host it yourself for free or pay a modest monthly fee, starting around $20, to keep things running smoothly in the cloud. It is intuitive enough that almost anyone on the team can hop in, look at the map, and fix a connection or add a new step in minutes. But there is a ceiling to what these bricks can do when the pressure starts to mount and the logic becomes a tangled web. On the other side of that fork, things get very serious and very technical. This is not about dragging boxes on a screen. This is about deep, pure engineering. This tool, the Temporal system, is built specifically for people who live and breathe code. You are using actual professional programming languages to define every single movement your data makes. It is not visual. It is not pretty. But it is virtually indestructible. If a server dies in the middle of a process, this system remembers exactly where it was. It picks up the pieces and carries on without missing a single beat. This is why it is the absolute standard for things like payment processing, global order systems, or anything where a single error results in a massive loss of trust or revenue. It is not for the faint of heart. And it certainly is not for those without a dedicated developer team at their side. You pay for what you use, action by action, rather than a flat monthly rate. It represents custom engineering rather than a pre-built kit. Many people assume they have to pick a side and stay there, but that is a fundamental misunderstanding of the landscape. The most successful teams are actually running both of these tools at the same time. They use the visual tool for the everyday tasks, the notifications, the simple data transfers that make life easier. Then they let the heavy-duty engine handle the mission-critical backbone that simply cannot fail. It is about matching the tool to the level of risk you are willing to take. If a process breaks and you can just fix it tomorrow, go with the visual builder. If a process fails and it ruins your business, you go with the code. It is about building a foundation that fits the scale of your specific ambition and knowing when to trade ease of use for total security or speed for absolute power. One allows you to move fast and break things, while the other ensures that nothing ever breaks in the first place. You have to decide if you are looking for a Swiss Army knife for your marketing team or a titanium vault for your transactions. The choice will define how well you sleep when the servers start to flicker, and how much you trust the machines to keep your promises when you are not watching them work.